Good day, volleyball fans. We are now heading to our second game here in the Western Conference of the Men's Division of the Governor's Cup Intertown Volleyball Tournament 2026 under the leadership of Governor Ramon Monmon Vigico III. For our Game 2, matutunghayan natin ang bakbakan between the Municipality of Binmalay having 1-3 standing versus Municipality of Anda having 2-2 standing for this second game. Matutunghayan natin kung magkakaroon na ba ng tie for the record for this Western Conference in the men's division or makukuha nga ba ng Team Anda ang another win? We will see and watch that later, volleyball fans. Kaya just keep watching here in our Governor's Cup page because our Game 2 is about to start. This is Samantha De Guzman, your courtside reporter. Back to Miss Victoria and Mr. Joseph.
Good afternoon once again, valuable fans. Welcome back to our live coverage of the Governor's Cup Intertown Volleyball Tournament 2026 Western Conference happening here at the Alaminos City Sports Complex.
The excitement continues as we move into the second match of the men's division. Thank you to all our viewers joining us here at the venue and those watching our live coverage from different parts of Pangasinan and beyond. We are ready for another exciting battle featuring two teams coming off important victories and looking to continue their momentum.
Before we begin, we would like to express our deepest appreciation to our beloved Governor, Ramon Monmon Vigico III, for his unwavering support in promoting sports development across the province. As our teams continue, let's get to know the two squads who are set to battle in this exciting men's division matchup.
First, we have Team Binmalay currently holding a 1-3 record in the tournament standings after a challenging start to their campaign. Binmalay finally secured an important victory in their previous outings, giving the team a much-needed boost of confidence. Leading their impressive performance was player of the game Dennis Dumalanta, who delivered outstanding 11-point performance and played a key role in helping his team secure the win. With momentum now on their side, Team Binmalay will look to build on that success and continue their climb in the standings.
Standing across the net is Team Anda, who also enters today's match coming off a victory in their previous game. That win showed the team's determination, teamwork, and ability to perform under pressure. Leading the charge was player of the game Patrick Josh Kamba, whose 24-point strong performance helped Anda capture another important victory in their campaign. With their confidence rising, Team Anda will be aiming to carry that momentum into today's match and continue their pursuit of another win.
Both teams are coming off victories, which makes this matchup even more exciting. Binmalay is looking to create a winning streak, while Anda is determined to prove that their recent success was just the beginning. Expect a competitive battle filled with powerful attacks and solid defense and thrilling rallies.
Stay with us as the Governor's Cup volleyball action continues here at the Alaminos City Sports Complex. First six for Team Anda. Jersey number 14, 10, 11, 16, 7, and 8.
First 6 for Team Binmalay. Jersey number 4, 16, 8, 17, and 12. And their first libero is jersey number 9, Reyes.
Belio sets it to Dumalanta right away. First point, Team Binmalay.
Serving jersey number 17, Paragas. Lander to Patrick. That will be a point for jersey number 11, Patrick Kamba. Patrick on the serve. Bello.
Belio will set it to Embarnate. Gets through the block. Now serving jersey number 8, Aquino.
Good serve. Lander. Attack error there for Neil. Point for Team Binmalay. Aquino still serving.
From the
Patrick.
pipe, Belio backs it to Dumalanta. Good save. Aquino. Embarnate. That is outside.
Serving Neil.
Service error.
Serving for Team Binmalay, jersey number 16, Dumalanta.
Good reception. Patrick from the pipe, too wide. And timeout, Team Anda. Official score 6-2.
Alam mo ba, partner? Para kay Governor Guico, mahalagang maging healthy ang bawat Pangasinense.
Yes, tama ka dyan, partner. At alam mo ba na ang Pangasinan ang kauna-unahang probinsya sa buong Pilipinas na nagpapatupad ng free hospitalization sa lahat ng 14 provincial government hospitals at isang malaking tulong yun para sa ating mga kababayan. Mamaya po natin itutuloy ang tungkol sa ating health na isa sa mga legacy programs ng ating mahal na Gobernador Ramon Monmon Vigico III. Meanwhile, service error for Domalanta. Javier. That's an ace for jersey number 14.
Javier.
Short serve. Belio, 1-2 play. Belio backs it to Embarnate. Dumalanta. Sets to the open. Point for Team Binmalay.
Jersey number 4 serving Embarnate. Good serve.
And service ace for jersey number 4. Sets to the open. Net violation called on jersey number 12.
Jersey number 7 serving Bello. That is a wonderful attack coming from jersey number 1, Adonis. Adonis on the serve.
Miscommunication. Belio kneeling set to Paragas, blocked. To Paragas again, drop ball. Patrick Camba gets the point. Baba sa tatlo. Halamangan ng Team Binmalay. Good reception to Aquino. That is outside. Tatawagan ng team captain ng Team Binmalay. Still 2-point lead for Team Binmalay. Belio.
Paragas, drop ball shot.
And service ace for jersey number 15. Astorio, and Binmalay will call for time. Ituloy natin yung tungkol sa health, no? Patuloy ring umiikot sa iba't ibang bayan. Ang WeConsulta Plus, isang one-stop government service na hatid mismo sa mga barangay.
Dito libre ang medical consultation, may libreng gamot, veterinary services para sa ating mga alagang hayop, employment assistance, pamimigay ng seedlings sa tasin, at meron na ring libreng legal aid sa pakikipagtulungan ng IBP Pangasinan Chapter.
Balik po tayo dito sa ating laro. Maya-maya, ituloy po natin yung tungkol dito sa health, sa WeConsulta.
Good serve. Bello.
That is outside, so point for Team Binmalay.
Good attack there coming from jersey number 8. Aquino. Bello on the service zone. Good serve. Lander to Patrick. Drop ball shot. Ando lang libero.
And a regalo for Neil Camba.
Lander Camba on the service zone.
Attack error for jersey number 17. At lamang na po ng isa ang Team Anda.
Lander. Paragas. Dumalanta. And that
Check
is a
ball.
point for Team Binmalay. Courtesy of jersey number 16, team captain, Dumalanta. Paragas.
Javier finds the line.
Now on the service zone, jersey number 11, Patrick Camba. Good serve. To Aquino. Fast play sa fast play. Aquino now serving. Good serve. Lander. To Neil. Good ball. Imbarnate block.
Nabantayan siya doon. Camba. Bello. Combination play. Dumalanta. Doug. Sets it to jersey number 7. Bello. Backs it to Dumalanta again. Bello. Adonis. Good chase with the libero of Team Binmalay. And a point for Team Binmalay.
Serving jersey number 16. Lander. To Javier. Bello. To Imbarnate. Block. Andun si libero. Paragas. To Imbarnate.
Finds the corner. Wow.
Point for Team Binmalay. Dumalanta. Good serve. Lander to Patrick. Sorry, that is Celso.
All 14.
Javier on the service zone. Dumalanta. Bello. Celso, drop ball shot. Andun si Reyes. Imbarnate. Dog. Celso.
Too strong for jersey number 1, Celso.
Now serving jersey number 4, Imbarnate. Imbarnate. Good serve. Lander to Celso. Kinaliwa. And a good point for Team Anda.
Celso. Misreceived. Adonis deflected. Lander sets it to Patrick, and soft touch works for Patrick.
Celso. Good serve. Bello to Paragas. Reyes is there. Adonis.
Double violation there called on Anda. Serving jersey number 1, Adonis. Lander will set it to Patrick. Andun si Adonis. Lander 1-2 play. Bello sets it to Paragas and swipes it off the blockers. Wow! Nandito pa rin ang women's team ng Binmalay cheering for their men's team. Still serving jersey number 1, Adonis.
Good serve. Lander to Patrick. Andun si Dumalanta.
And net violation called on Team Binmalay. Substitution
Castañeda.
here.
Castañeda in. Torio out.
Paragas will play setter Aquino. Andun si Castañeda. Bello sets it to Aquino. Another point for jersey number 8.
Dalawa na po ang lamang ng Team Binmalay. 19 serving 17. Jersey number 12. Bello. Good serve. Lander, 1-2 play.
Paragas. Lander to Neil. Belio to Jericho. And a point for jersey number 17. Dumalanta is having a word with the first referee.
Serving jersey number 12. Bello.
Javier from the pipe. Belio. Back sets to Domalanta. Set back. Domalanta again. Drop ball. Self-cover. Patrick. Easy set para kay Paragas. Pero no coverage there on the part of Team Binmalay.
Now on the service zone, Lander, Kamba. Good serve. Bello to Aquino. That
Too
is
strong.
out.
1 point lead.
Lander still serving. Good serve.
Domalanta
Free
will give
ball.
a free ball.
Lander to Patrick. And just like that, we are tied at 20. Timeout, Team Binmalay.
Ituloy natin, partner, yung sa WeConsulta. Nag-umpisa na rito sa Alaminos ang WeConsulta, no? At magpapatuloy pa ito sa July 27 sa Barangay Santa Maria. At sa susunod na rin ang mga Barangay Amaniego, Barangay Bisocol, Barangay Cabuar, at Barangay Alos.
Sa mga susunod na araw naman sa Barangay Kaya mga kabalayan, inaanyayahan ang lahat ng residente ng mga nabanggit na barangay na samantalahin ang pagkakataong makapagpakonsulta at makapag-enroll sa mga programang pangkalusugan ng PhilHealth.
Serbisyong pangkalusugan ilalapit sa inyong komunidad. Sama-sama nating isulong ang mas malusog at mas maunlad na Pangasinan. Balik po tayo dito sa ating laro. Javier, drop ball. Domalanta, drop ball din. And a point for Team Binmalay. Good response there on the part of Team Binmalay after that timeout.
Now on the service zone, jersey number 17. Paragas. Lander to Neil. Reyes is there. Bello to Domalanta. Block. Domalanta Imbarnate.
Wow, he's making a statement here.
Dala niya.
And it's time for Anda to call for time. Dito naman tayo, partner, sa infrastructure. Kung development naman ang pag-usapan, tuloy-tuloy rin ang pagbabago sa Capitol Complex.
Kasalukuyang tinatayo ang 11-story Pangasinan Government Tower na magsisilbing tahanan ng iba't ibang provincial at national government offices.
Kasabay rin ito ang construction ng Pangasinan Convention Center, ang reflective pool at dancing fountain, pati ang pagpapaganda ng Pangasinan Tourist Area.
Layunin nitong mas makilala ang Pangasinan bilang Conference Capital of the North at Tourism Capital of the North.
Dahil dito, tunay nating masasabi ang tagline ay pinagmamalaki ng ating lalawigan.
Pangasinan ang galing!
Meanwhile, Neil Camba scores.
Now on the service zone, jersey number 11, Patrick Camba. Good serve, and that is an ace for Team Anda.
And we are tied again at 22.
Patrick Paragas to Aquino. May kasama pang Rar.
I love the cheering squad of Binmalay. They are energetic.
Aquino. Lander to Neil. Ayan, partner, naririnig mo na din ang cheering squad ang para sa Team Anda.
Yes.
Now on the service zone, Neil Camba.
Paragas. Belio set it to Dumalanta. Wow. Set point for Team Binmalay.
And serving for set point, jersey number 16, Dumalanta.
Good serve. Sets it to Celso. Andun si Dumalanta. Belio is set kay Embernate. Set back. Belio to Embernate. But straight to the net. We are going to an extended set. 24 all. Belio to Adonis. And Adonis is blocked.
Javier. Good serve. Belio to Embernate. We are not yet done here at this first set. 25 all.
This is raised to 27.
Embernate on the service zone.
Sharp serve. Regalo, but that is outside. Second match point. No, second set point here for Team Anda.
Celso on the serve. Belio to Paragas.
And
Is inside.
hindi
all-
pa talaga tayo tapos dito.
All 26 here in set 1.
Wow.
Adonis is serving. Good serve. Patrick.
Off the block.
That point coming from Patrick will lead them to another set point.
Belio. Smart play. Pushes that one to zone 5. Now serving jersey number 12, Belio. Lander to Patrick. Gets through the block.
Pangatlong set point na po ng Team Anda. Lander on the service zone. Good serve. Bello to Dumalanta.
Wow! That's a powerful attack there. All 28.
Paragas. Good serve. Lander to Neil. Drop ball shot. Paragas para kay Imbarnate. Celso para kay Patrick. Block! And Binmalay gets the first set point of this match. Serving jersey number 17. Paragas.
Good serve. Lander back set. Andun si Paragas. Dumalanta will set it to Embernate. Andun yung libero. Patrick. Andun pa rin si Paragas. Dumalanta will give a free ball. And a push for Kamba. 29 all. Hindi pa talaga tayo tapos dito.
A very long first set here at Alaminos City Sports Complex.
And a service ace!
Humihiyaw, sumisigaw ang Team Anda cheering squad.
Yes, grabe ang palitan nila dito ng cheer.
Patrick.
Embernate gets through the block.
We are not done yet here at set 1.
Set one.
Set 1.
Set one.
Aquino now serving.
I cannot hear you properly na, partner. And that is service ace. For Aquino. Nasa set 1 pa lang tayo.
Second.
Set 1 pa lang po ito. 31-30.
Aquino. Good
Short.
serve.
And Binmalay gets the first set. 32-30. Wow, what a set. Grabe. I cannot hear you, partner, because of the cheers ng Team Binmalay.
Tama ka dyan, partner.
Grabe ang sagutan nila ng mga malalakas na palo.
At syempre, malalakas na cheer. Both teams, partner.
So habang nagpapahinga po ang ating mga teams, dito po tayo sa employment, no? Isa rin sa mga prioridad ng provincial government ang pagbibigay ng mas maraming oportunidad sa trabaho.
Sa pamamagitan ng Provincial Employment and Services Office, regular ang local recruitment activities at job fairs para sa ating mga kababayan.
Alam mo ba, partner, meron ding free training, Jumpstart Your Entrepreneurial Journey, ang Provincial Employment and Services Office para sa mga aspiring entrepreneurs sa July 27, Lunes, simula alas 8 ng umaga hanggang alas 5 ng hapon. Gaganapin ito sa Peso Multipurpose Hall, Capitol Complex, Lingayen.
Dahil dito, tunay nating masasabi ang tagline na pinagmamalaki ng ating lalawigan.
Pangasinan,
ang galing.
Huwag po kayong aalis dahil malapit na po ang set 2 ng ating Game 2 match for Men's Division. It is Team Binmalay versus Team Anda. Good reception. Kamba blocked. Patrick will set it to Neil. Paragas is blocked, set back. Andun si Dumalanta. Point for Team Binmalay.
First point. Draw. Sbly. Team Binmalay. Bello on the service zone.
Serves long. And first point for Team Anda. Now serving jersey number 8.
Lander. Good serve. Bello to Paragas in the middle. And that is a point for jersey number 17. Paragas. Lander to Neil. Andun si Imbarnate. Dumalanta is blocked. No coverage sa likod. Partner. Point for Team Anda. Now serving jersey number 11, Patrick Kamba.
Good reception. Good ball. Lander sets it to Neil. Embernate. Not violation called on Neil Kamba. On the service zone, jersey number 8.
Aquino. Good serve. Celso.
It's received. Embernate will send it over. Lander. Sinet kay Celso. Blocked. That is a point for jersey number 1, Celso.
Neil on the serve, and that will go straight to the net. Celso with a swipe and a point for Team Anda. Javier on the service zone. Good serve. Belo.
Too wide on that attack.
Javier.
Received. Celso. Set kay Adonis. Lander to Celso. Andun si Paragas. Reyes will set it to Embernate. Belio to Embernate. And he is blocked. 2-point lead here for Team Anda. Double substitution here.
Samson in. Embernate. Javier. Bello. To Di Guzman. Kakapasok pa lang ni jersey number 14 pero may score na po kaagad. Di Guzman, jump serve.
Sharp serve. Lander to Celso. Andun si De Guzman. Reyes will set it to Paragas. Not over.
Bello to Paragas. Gumamit na ng technique si Jericho Paragas, partner, para maka-score.
Yes, using the hands of the blockers.
Jersey number 20, Samson, serving. Good serve. Lander to Patrick. That
Doug.
is Doug. And it's Dumalanta. Paragas, block. Di Guzman.
Iniangat.
That will be a point for Team Anda. Torio. Aquino. Lifting violation called on jersey number 8. 3-point lead para sa Team Anda. 9 serving 6. Serving jersey number 15. Torio.
Serving jersey number 12, Belio. Lander to the middle. Sa 4 naman para kay Dumalanta. Celebration on the side of Team Binmalay.
Baba sa isa ang kalamangan ng Team Anda. Bello on the service zone. Good serve. Lander to Patrick. Lander serving. Reyes. Aquino. Lander to Neil.
And that violation committed by jersey number 8, Aquino. 3-point lead here for Team Anda.
Lander.
Doon si Lander. Over to Dumalanta. What a powerful attack coming from Dumalanta.
Paragas on the serve. A good service. Lander to running Patrick. And
No
that
check
is
ball.
outside.
Lander sets it to the middle, blocked. Belio, sinet kay De Guzman, and it catches the line.
And now we are tied at 11.
And
Timeout for Team Anda.
dito naman tayo, partner sa education and sports. Hindi rin nakakalimutan ng ating mga estudyante.
Sa pamamagitan ng Pangasinan Polytechnic College, halos 2,000 scholars na ang natulungan mula 2024 hanggang sa kasulukuyan.
May 4 na flagship degree programs ang PPC at nakaplanong magbukas pa ng branch sa Umingan kasabay ng pagtatayo ng Super Hospital kung saan target ding mag-offer ng allied medical courses.
At syempre, malaking bahagi rin ng programa ni Governor Guico ang sports development dahil tuloy-tuloy na ang palaro sa Pangasinan.
Pagkatapos nitong Intertown Volleyball Tournament, aabangan naman natin ang Season 2 ng Intertown Basketball Tournament at ang Pickleball Tournament na siguradong exciting din para sa ating mga kabalian.
Dahil dito, tunay nating masasabi ang ating tagline na Pangasinan ang galing. Dumalanta is block, but Reyes is there. Bello tinasang bola. De Guzman for the free ball. Lander to Patrick, back set, and that is a point! And a block for jersey number 8.
Mukhang basa ang ating court. Kailangan yun punasan para maiwasan ang injury. Lamang po ng isa ang Team Binmaley.
Ragas. Good serve. Lander to Neil. Andun po si Bello. Dumalanta. Patrick to Javier. Paragas still there. De Guzman. And that will be a point for Team Binmaley. Lamang na po ng dalawa ang Team Binmaley. 13 serving 11. Jersey number 17 serving Paragas.
Good serve. Patrick will send it over. Bello is set kay De Guzman. And another point for jersey number 14. Spark plug for Team Binmaley. Celso. Lander will set it to Javier. Good ball. Patrick. And then si Reyes. Belio is set kay Dumalanta. They are contesting. And yellow card para kay Dumalanta.
Patrick. Good serve. De Guzman!
Wow!
Aquino.
Short serve. Lander itataas para kay Celso, but free ball. Not over for Samson.
Neil Camba on the serve. Reyes. Belio. To De Guzman. Still a point for Team Binmaley. Team captain serving. Dumalanta. Lander. To Celso. Block. Self-cover. To Javier. And it is...
4-point lead here for Team Binmaley. Dumalanta received to Celso. Andun si Dumalanta pero hindi na. Mayangat pa ang bola.
Javier.
Sharp serve. Belio want to play. Andun in libero. Free ball. Belio to De Guzman, but too wide this time for De Guzman. Baba sa dalawa ang halamangan ng Team Binmaley.
Javier. Good serve. Andun si Reyes. Belio. To De Guzman again. And block once again.
And timeout for Team Binmaley dahil isa na lang po ang kanilang kalamangan. Tapos na tayo sa health and employment and education and sports. Dito naman tayo sa agriculture. Kasama din or kabilang din sa legacy programs ni Governor Ramon V. Gico III ay ang patuloy na pagpapalakas ang sektor ng agrikultura.
Kinilala ang Pangasinan bilang outstanding kadiwa ng Pangulo LGU Implementer sa Gawad Saka Awards ng Department of Agriculture.
Tutuloy po natin yan mamaya yung tungkol sa agriculture. Pero balik po muna tayo dito sa second set ng laro between Binmaley and Anda.
Javier still serving. Reyes is there. Belio kanina bibigay. De Guzman. And gets the point.
Pinabawi siya doon. Substitution for Team Binmalay. Paragas out, Abalos in. Jump serve. Lander 1-2 play, and then si De Guzman 1-2 play then for Belio, and point for jersey number 12.
Jersey number 14 serving. De Guzman.
Too strong.
Celso. Good serve. Abalos drop ball shot. Lander to Patrick.
What an attack by jersey number 11. Samson out, Adonis in for Team Binmalay.
Celso.
And just like that, we are now tied at 19.
Celso.
Over received. Lander will set it to Patrick. And 1 point lead for Team Anda.
Celso is still serving for Team Anda. Good serve. Belio to. And that is an attack error for Team Binmalay.
No check ball daw.
2 point lead.
Yes. Celso pa rin. Belio, sinet sa middle. Andun yung libero. Itinaas ni Celso. Belio to Abalos. Javier back set kay Patrick. Andun si Dumalanta. Lander to Patrick. And a 3-point lead. Timeout for Team Binmalay. Tuloy natin yung tungkol sa agriculture, no? Patuloy rin ang kadiwa sa Kapitolyo, pamamahagi ng agriculture machinery, sprayers, mechanical transplanters, at iba pang suporta sa ating mga magsasaka.
Na-launch na rin ang Pangasinan Bangus Breeding and Hatchery sa Bulinaw, ang kauna-unahang PRDP-supported provincial hatchery sa buong bansa. At pagdating naman sa salt industry, nakapag-produce ang Pangasinan ng mahigit 8,100 metric tons ng asin noong 2025. Halos doble kumpara sa mga nakarang taon.
At itutuloy po natin yan mamaya-maya lang po. Balik po tayo dito sa second set. Team Binmalay versus Team Anda. Celso. Good receive. Paragas pushes it to zone 1.
Adonis. Lander to Patrick. Drop ball shot. And, that is a point.
Good response there on the side of Team Binmalay after that timeout. 2 straight points. Adonis. Lander to the open and Patrick is blocked. All 22. And it's time for Team Anda to call for time. Tuloy natin yung tungkol sa agriculture pa rin. Alam mo ba, partner, na 1,000 nakatutubong puno ang itinanim sa Maples River sa Barangay Buer, Aguilar bilang bahagi ng Green Canopy Program ng Pamahalaang Panlalawigan ng Pangasinan.
Nakisa ang mga empleyado ng Kapitelyo at mga opisyal ng barangay sa pagtatanim ng mga punong may mahalagang may dudulot sa ating kalikasan.
Sa ilalim ng pamumuno ni Governor Ramon Monmon V. Gico III, patuloy na isinusulong ang mga proyektong nagbibigay ng balansing oportunidad para sa redevelopment at pangangalaga sa kalikasan para sa bawat Pangasinense.
Dahil dito, tunay nating masasabi ang tagline na ipinagmamalaki ng ating lalawigan. Pangasinan ang galing.
Meanwhile, nakuha na po ng Team Binmalay ang lead with the error of Camba. Patrick Camba, to be specific.
Adonis serving. Good serve. Lander to Patrick. Andun si Adonis. Bello. Lander to Patrick.
Tinaas.
Paragas.
Lander isiset kay Patrick. Too long for Patrick Camba. 5-0 run here by Team Binmalay. We are now at match point.
Serving for the match, jersey number 1, Adonis.
Good serve. Lander itataas. Free ball for Team Binmalay. Bello to Paragas. Andun si Patrick. And 1-2 play for Lander Camba.
Hindi pa tapos. Partner, parang ganito yung point kanina.
Actually, 23 serving 24. Bello to Paragas, blocked. Paragas again, drop ball, and Binmalay wins this match against Team Anda in 2 straight sets. Congratulations to Team Binmalay for winning this game, and congratulations also to Team Anda for giving Binmalay a good game.
Congratulations once again for the both teams, Binmalay and Team Anda.
may marne mo. May laro siya bukas. Ilang susuputan mo, ilan? Aling kayong kalaban?
Grabe. Nag-improve ka. Pati sa basketball ulit dapat basketball.
Number 14.
And our player of the game is with our courtside reporter, Miss Samantha Luis de Guzman.
That concludes our second game here in the men's division of the Governor's Cup Intertown Volleyball Tournament 2026. Nakita natin mula sa dalawang municipality na palitan sila ng score ng dig and blockings during the first and second set. But in the end, it was Team Binmalay who got the win, and still, congratulations for Team Anda for giving us a good game. Right now, I am with the best player of the game from the winning team, Team Binmalay. Player number 4 team, Kim De Guzman, having 7 attacks and 2 blocks. So congratulations for winning this game. And also congratulations for being the best player of the game. So nakita naman natin na naging crucial yung first set ninyo with Team Anda. Ano yung nasa isip mo during that time?
During that time po kasi is nasa labas ako. Kumbaga, nung second set, kahit anong mangyari, hugutin man ako galing labas or ipasok man ako or hindi, buo yung puso ko maglaro po sa loob ng court, and buo po yung puso ko ipaglaban yung Binmali hanggang huli.
Yes, kitang-kita ko ngayong effort mo during the second set na talagang nilaban mo, and gustong-gusto mo makapagbigay ng puntos para sa Municipality of Binmalay. So paano nyo i-maintain yung panalo nyo for this season since yung first to third game ninyo ay talo kayo? So paano nyo i-maintain yung pagkapanalo nyo for this season?
Every game po sa amin ngayon is important kasi yung tatlong sunod na talo po namin is masakit yun for us kasi lahat po ng magiging game namin is crucial. So kailangan po talaga namin pagtrabahuan every game.
Teamwork makes the dream work also, kaya dapat lang hindi kayo mawala ng pag-asa hanggat hindi pa natatapos yung season. So sino ba yung mga gusto mong pasalamatan or shoutout?
Unang-una po, pinapasalamatan ko po si God sa pagbigay po ng guidance sa amin and sa lahat po ng support. And syempre po sa parents ko, sa teammates ko, and syempre po thank you din po kay ABC President, kay Mayor Pete Mirera, and syempre po kay Ma'am Nikki, and sa Enstel Connect po, and kay Ma'am Nikki, sa lahat po ng coaches namin. Hindi ko na po sila iisahin, pero alam na po nila sa sarili. And sa lahat po ng teammates ko na patuloy po kami sinusuportahan.
Thank you so much, and again, congratulations for winning this game. Volleyball fans, that ends our second game here in the Western Conference in the men's division.
Shoutout po kay Auntie Lisa. Happy birthday, belated pala. Charet.
Shoutout sa family ko and boyfriend ko.
Shoutout po kay John Aldesa. Shoutout sa asawa ko. Hello.
Shoutout sa family ko, hindi muna ako uwi ng bahay.
Shoutout po kay Bessie ko. Shoutout po kay Tom Rodriguez. Chares.
Thank you. Volleyball fans, this is where it ends our second game here in the men's division. Stay here in our Governor's Cup page dahil marami pa tayong games for today. Again, this is Samantha De Guzman, your courtside reporter. Pangasinan, ang galing.